Guys, this Rome tips today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Nepal. Alright, the link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click link voyafly.com or copy coupon and promo code and open voyafly.com and click on this and write Nepal. Click on this. Open new page, settings eSIM high speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number and instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, scroll down, choose a fixed data plan 1 GB 1 week, 3 GB 2 week. Alright, yeah, I'm select 2 week and click on buy it now. Open new page and click on discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $3.20 and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email address, payment and billing address and click on buy now. Open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code, eSIM and instruction activation, and that's all. eSIM is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.